Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this ZTE. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Then type in Files. Now you need to get this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, hit Open. Then click on Continue in the pop-up, tap on Allow and select this switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Finally, click on Clean at the bottom left corner and choose Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, click on Clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!